Hello foodies! Welcome back to my channel. This is Irene and you're watching Eat, Pray, and Eat More. So for today's episode, you can see I am wearing an Indian dress. Okay, so it's a traditional Indian dress. So I wore this one. Happy Onam to all our Indian friends out there who's watching. Happy Onam. And being that said, actually it's not, today's episode, I'll be cooking some Indian food. So it's just coincident that I'm wearing Indian dress to make it more dramatic. I'm not cooking because of the Onam celebration, but let's say, yeah, maybe kinda. But mainly I am cooking because I just want to celebrate the small wins I have won in the month of August, and the blessings I have received. I am celebrating with my colleagues at work. Okay, so since majority of my colleagues at work are Indians, I am preparing Indian foods for them. Instead of ordering food, I have decided to cook for them Indian food. Okay, so today, so hope you're gonna stay as I am preparing the food for my colleagues. So stay tuned and please watch. Of course, okay, before that, I will, by the way, I'll be cooking chicken masala, aloo gobi, which is potato cauliflower curry. And also, I'll be cooking beetroot sabzi, which is beetroot stir fry or curry also. Yeah, so I'll be cooking non-veg and veg because I have one colleague which is a vegetarian. So first, we're gonna be preparing one by one because I have only one pan. So we'll be preparing one by one. So we will prepare first chicken masala. So first, we have already the marinated chicken, which I have marinated yesterday. And then we have the spices here. We have chicken masala, we have chili powder, we have green chili, this is Indian chili, and we have some salt here. We have onions, of course. Most of the Indian foods they cook it with onions. So the more the better the onions. Okay, and have also chopped tomatoes here. And then I have ginger garlic paste. I have coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. So that's it. That's the ingredients for this. So for the procedure and ingredients for the marinated chicken, I'll be posting at the end of the video for the procedure. I hope you will be staying to watch as I prepare the food. So we're gonna put oil in the pan. And then we're gonna put cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and bay leaf just for aroma, like that. And then we're gonna put the onions. We're gonna saute them for 5 to 6 minutes until the onions turn golden brown. So now when it's cooked, we're gonna put the ginger garlic paste. We're gonna cook the ginger garlic paste so there's no more raw ginger and the smell. Now we can put the tomato puree. Put also now the chili powder, garam masala, and the salt. So we're gonna put also this one. And we're gonna put our marinated chicken. Sorry. So we will wait until the chicken will be cooked. So now while cooking for our chicken, we're gonna cook now our beetroot curry, beetroot sabzi. Okay, first we're gonna put oil in the pan. Mustard seed. I don't have cumin seed, so I'll just put mustard seed. And we're gonna put now our garlic and red and green chili and our curry leaves. Now we can put our beetroot. We're gonna put our beetroot. You can make it grated beetroot or cubes, small cubes. And then we're gonna cook it. Now that it's tender, we can put now our coconut. You can add some coconut here, turmeric powder, and of course salt to taste. That's it. We're done with our beetroot sabzi. I'm gonna cook for our aloo gobi. So first is we're gonna put the oil. Put some oil in the pan. And then we're gonna put 1/4 of turmeric powder. And put our cube tomato cube. So now we're gonna put our tomato cubes. Same pan, we're gonna put some oil. We're gonna put turmeric powder. Oh, sorry, cauliflower. I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna put the oil. Now we're gonna put the onions. We're gonna fry it a little bit until it's golden brown. Maybe like that. So now the onion is golden brown. We're gonna put now the ginger, garlic, and the green chili. We're gonna fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. We're gonna put our turmeric powder, chili powder, and some salt. So we're gonna cook the tomato like it should be mushy, right? So it should be mushy. So now we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Add the fried potato and mix mix well. I'm gonna add the potatoes, fried potatoes. So now the potato is cooked, you can put also now the cauliflowers. Cauliflower floret. So once the cauliflower is cooked, we're gonna put now our garam masala. So this is my final products. These are the items that I have cooked today. We have turmeric rice. We have the beetroot sabzi, chicken masala, and the aloo gobi, potato cauliflower curry.
Aloo Gobi, നന്നായിരിക്കുന്നു. സൂപ്പറാണ്. നല്ല സൂപ്പർ ഫുഡ്. എനിക്ക് നല്ലതായിട്ട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. നല്ല ഫുഡ്. താങ്ക് യു മാം. താങ്ക് യു.
I think. So this is the end of my vlog today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Eat, pray, and eat more. Bye bye. Thank you. So the first step for this chicken masala, okay, is to marinate the chicken. So it will take like, you can marinate it 45 minutes or 1 hour or overnight. For me, I'm gonna do it overnight. So first we have chopped the chicken, and this one you can use boneless or bone-in, so it's fine. It depends on what you prefer. So we have the chili powder here, and then we have garam masala. We have the turmeric powder also, and we have salt. We have also ginger garlic paste, okay, and then we have also curd or plain yogurt. So I'll be using this full cream plain yogurt. Okay, so we're gonna put now this things. We're gonna put it marinate. For the marination, we just put it in like that. I have ginger garlic paste here. This yogurt. Yogurt for marination. Some they don't put yogurt for cooking chicken masala. For those who are little bit healthier, okay, a healthier way of cooking is they don't put yogurt in marination, but for me, I'm gonna put. So I'm preparing almost 2 kg because we are like 18 or maybe 18 people in the office. So I hope it's gonna be enough, because I'll be cooking some other dishes anyway. So just for, okay. So once evenly, we're gonna put it in the fridge. So that's the marination, okay? So that's for the marination. We're gonna put it in the fridge.